Hey everybody, it's Spencer and I'm glad to be back with you. New workshop coming up. It's an online workshop and it is hosted by the Eureka Springs School of the Arts, and we'll be working in Casein. Now, Casein is a really cool paint. It has a lot in common with gouache, and in my opinion it has some similarities to acrylic. You can take this class online. It is, just a minute, let me look over here. It's going to be April 19th and 20th, and class size is real limited. I think it's either 6 or 8 students that we're going to have in there. essa-art.org, and just look under workshops, but that's at Eureka Springs School of the Arts. And also too, I would say this: if you don't have Casein paints, but you do have some gouache paint, well, you can take the class too, because they behave so similar. You'll benefit from it either way. It's about a week and a half away. All right, thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoy watching me work in this.